What's going on, guys? Gary Jaman here, back at it again with a new video. I hope everybody's feeling safe and is fine. Today I got some exciting news. I just received this open returned item, and that is the Sony A6400. As you see, it got some tape on this side and it doesn't look all too good, to be honest, right? This whole box just falls apart. But as you see, things are looking quite weird. Let's open it up together. We got some warranty letters. The whole box itself is totally messed up, but alright. Here we go. Alright. I really love the A6000 series, so really curious to see. This is the body. Ooh. Oh. 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 Look at this, guys. Oh, okay. Alright. Cool. It is a little bit bigger than the original A6000, and I'm filming as well with the Sony A6000. That is the overhead camera, and as you see, the image is still looking quite good, right? And also, this little kit comes in with this lens, and that is the, what was it again? The 18135 f3.5 5.6. Autofocus manual focus switch on the side. Does it have any weather sealing gasket? It does, or it does not. I'm not sure. I cannot even see it. I think I need some new glasses. Woo. Okay, put that aside. We got the little strap batteries. One battery. What do we have here at the bottom? Some charging stuff and all kind of stuff. I already got some batteries, so that's okay. Let's see if we got any juice in this little guy. Ooh. I am excited, guys. Let's put that a little bit on the side. Okay. So this is a like a newer A6000 kind of series camera, right? I already reviewed the Sony A6100, and that is actually quite a good camera. But if you already own a Sony A6000, it was not really worth upgrading, to be quite honest. But only if you need the latest, greatest, better autofocus, the newer color science, and this flippity up screen. I'm not even sure how you call this screen actually. Fully articulating upward screen? I don't know. And it does have some kind of condensation right now, as you see, because it just got delivered here at the doorstep. Alright, let's wait a couple of seconds maybe, see if it has any juice in it. I'm gonna leave it open, fully exposed, because then it can get up to temperature. Alright. Shall we do English or Francais or Deutsch, Italiano, Espanol, Portuguese, Nederlands, Svenska, Dansk, Norsk, Suomi. I'm not even sure how to pronounce these two. Polski, Česky? What the hell, man? Turkche. My wife is Turkish, by the way, so maybe I can have her use this camera in Turkish. English, let's go for English. Berlin, Paris, that's all good. Yes, enter. What the hell? Alright, cool. So 63%, it has 63% in it. That's quite good, right? This condensation already a little bit gone. I can clean that up a little bit. But I'm too excited. I'm just going to put everything on it. Let's go for it. Condensation mode and everything. What is this? 64 gigs Extreme Pro from SanDisk. Let's put that in. It's here at the bottom, right? Yes, it's still at the bottom. I wish it was at the side. Maybe the newer ones. Preparing the imaging database file. Alright. Good. Alright. Condensation is on like crazy. ISO, I'm gonna put the ISO up to like 1600 or so. That should be good, right? Let's take the first photo. Woo, look at this condensation forming and everything. Is it in RAW? No, it's in JPEG. So this is the JPEG straight out of camera. Alright. My hands were shaking a little bit, but I think it should be okay. Let's see. Alright. Feels very familiar, let's put it that way. I'm gonna switch things around. I'm gonna turn off this overhead cam at first, and now I'm gonna switch from my Sony full frame camera to this Sony crop sensor camera to see if you, or myself included, can see any real difference. So here it is. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, and this is the image that you see now from the Sony A6400. And what do you think? Does it look similar to the Sony A7 III footage? I think so. I think it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty great. I'm also using now the Tamron 2875 f2.8 lens on the Sony A6400 so that you can see what the image will look like with a full frame lens on it. So far, you know, it's very handy. I think this is a great YouTube camera as well for now. And in the following weeks, I'm going to test this out, and also, you know, a bunch of things. Also for photography, so I'm going to take a lot of pictures, a variety of pictures, not only landscape or people or anything, just a whole bunch of things, from product photography all the way up to street and I don't know what else. Also got some additional lenses to use as well, and you know, we're gonna check out if this is still any good and worth buying right now in 2020. Maybe a great gift for Christmas or something. I don't know. So that's all, guys. Here are also some photos that I will be taking after this little video to see if it's any good and to see just my first initial shots. Alright, that's all, guys. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Like the video, of course, that will be very helpful. Comment down below, what do you want to see of the Sony A6400. Let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, stay safe and stay healthy. Good luck.